Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make miniature beaded slippers keychain step by step. This is a simple and beginner-friendly DIY using blue and gold beads. If you love beaded keychains, mini crafts, or beaded slippers designs, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. I'm starting by picking up 4 beads to form the base, and I'll continue beading the same way until I reach the 4th row. Add 1 blue bead to the left thread and 1 to the right thread and cross with the 3rd bead. If the video feels too fast at any point, feel free to slow it down or re-watch the steps. Add 3 beads to the right fishing line and cross with the 3rd bead, bringing our fishing line up to start the 2nd roll. Add 3 blue beads to the right fishing line and cross with the 3rd bead. Pass your fishing line through the next bead and add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. Pass your fishing line through the next bead and pass your keychain through the left bead and on. The right hand add 2 beads and tie it in a knot to secure it. Now your knot is at the center of the beads. Put your fishing line together and add 3 blue beads through the fishing line. Now, separate the fishing line and add 4 gold beads to the left and right fishing line. now have 4 gold beads at each side of the fishing line. Next, we will pass the thread through the beads. Count 3 beads and pass your fishing line through the next bead below the third line. Pass your fishing line through the gold beads and the keychain itself to secure it. And this is the final look of our miniature beaded slippers keychain. I hope you enjoyed this DIY beaded slippers tutorial and found it helpful. If you try this mini beaded keychain design, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more beaded keychain tutorials. Mini beaded crafts and easy DIY beadwork. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.